Did you know your iPhone constantly tracks your activity, like your location, messages, and even Siri? Here's how to stop it. First, open the Settings app, then scroll to Privacy and Security. Then tap Tracking and turn off Allow apps to request to track. Next, go back, scroll down, and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Here, turn off everything, like Share iPhone Analytics, Improve Health and Activity, and Improve AR Location Accuracy. These share your motion, audio, and health data with Apple, not needed. Next, tap Apple Advertising under the same section and turn off Personalized Ads. It prevents Apple from using your activity to target ads. Now go back and tap Location Services, scroll down and tap System Services. Here, turn off unnecessary options like Apple Pay Merchant ID and location-based alerts. Scroll to the bottom, tap Significant Locations, turn it off, and tap Clear History. That's it. You've stopped your iPhone from tracking your data and location.